Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where you're trying to find your missing AirPod pods. Basically, these headphones right here are basically the things that can go missing all the time. And if you actually missed them, let's say you missed one somewhere or whatever, well, if you have one of the newer pair of AirPods, it's actually a really easy thing to find. So what you want to do is make sure that you have at least your AirPods have connected to your iPhone at some point. So in this case, I have my iPhone right here. And you also want to make sure you have Find My enabled. Now, you may not actually have Find My enabled, but basically you just want to make sure you have the Find My application. You want to go ahead and open it up. And if it tells you to set it up, then you probably have never had Find My enabled, and you may be able to still get this through. And basically, when you go ahead and load up your AirPod, and basically when you load up this specific application, you will see your set of devices that you have. Now, you can see I have a lot of them, but all you want to do is go ahead and find your AirPods that you had. So you can see I see a pair of AirPods right here. So all you have to do is go ahead and click on your AirPods like this. And when you click on them, you'll get into this panel. Now you may be able to see a map of your AirPods right here, but you also may be able to see this little play sound option. All you have to do is go ahead and pretty much click on the play sound option, and you will basically be able to hear those AirPods around you. Even if it's the pod themselves, you should be able to hear them around you. Now, if you don't see those AirPods, then maybe you don't have a set of AirPods that didn't have, this type of capability. Also, you may have not had Find My enabled, and that may have also been an issue. You can try updating your iPhone and see if that fixes it, but pretty much that's how I typically find my AirPods when I miss them, even the pods themselves, and that's pretty much the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.